This is the perfect example of the quadratic equation. So x square, x and number. This kind of equation is actually called the perfect quadratic equation. It is perfect because it has x square, x and number. So x square, x and number. So we always have to first make like this: x square, x and number. So here is x square, x and number. So to solve these kind of things we have a new technique. So that technique is called resolve method. So we are going to know how to resolve this, how to find the value of x from this kind of quadratic equation, and it is one of the most important thing. Okay, so first of all, look at the symbol of the last number. Always look at the symbol of the last number. And what is the symbol here? Plus. Plus means in addition. If it is minus, it means in subtraction. So in addition, it should give us this number. So in addition, it should give us 9. You have to take two numbers which should give us 9 on addition. Similarly, so first and last number, multiply this constant and coefficient of x square. It is 18 ones are 18. So by multiplication you have to find 18, and by addition you have to find 9. So look at here. How to find this kinds of number? For this kind of number, when multiplication it should give us 18. So factorize this 18. So 18 is factorized here. 2 9s are 18 and 3 3s are 9. So 18 can be written like this: 2 into 3 into 3. 2 3s are 6, 6 3s are 18. So we can write 18 in this format. So we have to split these numbers in two groups, which gives us 18 on multiplication and 9 on addition. So how can we split? For example, let's take number 2 here and another 2 as a new group. 3 3s are 9. So 2 9s are 18. It is correct. But 9 plus 2 is how much? 11. But we need only 9 here. So these two numbers, this group of number are not suitable for us. So let's try another one. Let's take these two numbers. 2 3s are 6 3. So 6 3s are 18 and 6 plus 3 is 9. So there will be always two unique numbers. Always there will be a unique numbers which gives us 9 on addition and 18 on multiplication. For all the quadratic equation there will exist a unique number. There exist two unique numbers which gives us the same kind of thing. So here we have found that 6 and 3 are the correct answer, because 6 plus 3 is 9 and 6 3s are 18. So we have found 6 and 3. Okay, so we have found two numbers that are 6 and 3. So instead of this 9, look at here, instead of this 9, put that two number, that is 9. We can write 6 plus 3 here. So 9 is omitted, and instead of that 9 you have to write 6 plus 3. So this is x square minus 6 plus 3x plus 18. So you have to be very careful when multiplying by this negative sign. Most of the students failed to give the correct answer when it is multiplied by negative sign. So be very careful and look at here very carefully, then after you can do and solve and get the answer. So look at here. So here is negative sign, that means you have to be alert, you have to be very careful here. Minus into plus, that is minus. Look at here, minus into plus, here is no sign, that means it is positive sign. So minus and plus when multiplied it gives us minus. And 6 into x is 6x. Similarly, minus plus is minus. 3 into x is 3x. So have you got or not? Look at here again, minus plus is minus, then after 6 into x, 6x, because this x should multiply both of them. Similarly, minus plus is minus and 3 into x is 3x, and this 18 is as it is. So look at here. Here it was only 3 terms, 1, 2 and 3 terms. Now we are able to break it into 4 terms, 1, 2, 3 and 4 terms. Okay, so Here are four terms now. So we are going to take commons on first two and second two. So first two here and here we are going to take common. So x square minus 6x. What is the common between x square minus 6x? I think x is the common here. So look at here. First we are going to look only these first two numbers. So for the first two number, what is the common here? So I think x and x, so x is the common here. No number is common here, so x is common. Here was 2x, x square means x into x, and 1x has already been out of here. That means 1x is still there. Minus this x has already been come here, so 6 as 6. So this is the process of taking the common. So when the x is taken common, this x is omitted and here is only one x is remained. So it is x minus 6. So now look at here. This portion is very important. So look at here. Here what is the symbol here? Minus is the sign here. So whenever the negative sign come, it means it is the sign of danger. So minus is common here. We have to take the sign as well, common as a sign as well. So minus is the common, and 3 and 18. So can you find the number which can divide both 3 and 18? 3 can divide. 3 ones are 3 and 3 6 are 18. That means 3 is common here. So taking common means those numbers, those smallest number which can divide both the numbers without any remainder. So 3 and 18. So 3, can 3 divide 18? Exactly or not? Yes, 3 6 is 18. That means 3 is common here. So minus 3 is common. When you take the negative sign common, you have to change the sign of this inside the bracket. That means look at here. 3 is out here. Minus is out. That means plus is here. Similarly, from here also, here is plus sign, but we have taken the negative sign as a common. So you have to change the sign. This plus is converted into negative, and 3 into how much time is 18? 3 6 is 18. So when 3 is common, here is only 6. And you cannot say when 3 is out of here it is 15. It is not the case of subtraction. We are taking the multiple or factor as a common. So 3 6 is 18. So now look at here. These two terms are same. If you are unable to get these two terms same, then you are in the wrong way. You haven't chosen the correct number here. So this should be same. So x minus 6 and x minus 6. From this again take the common. This is x minus 6 and remaining is x minus 3. So from these two it is x minus 6, and for the remaining it is x minus 3 and it's equal to 0. So use the previous method, that is this is equal to 0, x minus 6 is equal to 0, x minus 3 is equal to 0, and x is equal to 6 and x is equal to 3. In this way you can find the answer. Okay, let's see another example. It is 5b and it says x square minus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. So look at here, in the last, what is the symbol here? It is the positive sign. That means by addition you have to find 5. So I have written here, by addition you have to find 5. When the two numbers are added, it should give us 5. And what is the multiplication? 6 ones are 6. By multiplication you have to find 6. So do not use this plus minus, use this multiplication 6. So factorize this 6. 2 3s are 6, 3 1s are 3, 2 into 3 into. By these three numbers, split into two groups, which gives us 5 on addition. So what are the two numbers that gives 5 on addition and 6 on multiplication? So let's try. Let's take 2 and 3 1s are 3. 2 into 3, that is 6. 2 plus 3, it is 5. Okay, that is the correct number. 2 plus 3. So instead of this 5, write down this 2 splitted number, these unique numbers. So 2 plus 3. So use the same method. Here is x squared minus plus is minus, 2 into x is 2x, minus plus is minus, 3 into x is 3x, plus 6 is equal to 0, and take the common here. So x is the common here, x minus 2 Here is minus sign is common, 3 is also common here because 6 can be divided by 3. So minus sign is common. That means you have to change the sign of both. This minus is plus and this plus should be minus. So 3 is already here, minus is already here. That means x is only here. You cannot write minus here because minus has already been come here. So this minus should be plus and this plus should be minus. 3 how much times is 6? 3 2s are 6. And it is x minus 2 x minus 3 is equal to 0, x minus 2 is equal to 0, x minus 3 is equal to 0, and it is x is equal to 2 and x is equal to 3. In this way you can find the value of x.